Assalamualaikum, sir. So we are from Group 6. We are going to present about our companies, which are Fraser and Neef, Press Metal, UMW Holdings, and iHish's Healthcare. So let me introduce my teammate, which are me, Emilia Natasha, Atira Khalida, and Sabrina Rahman. Next.
Okay, I will start the presentation with some introduction. What is corporate governance? It is a system or set of rules and practice by which companies are directed, controlled, and how the company will be managed. It involves the relationship between company's management, board of directors, shareholders, and stakeholders. Next, what is sustainability reporting? It is the practice of disclosing a company's information in terms of environment, social, and economic performance. It involves measuring and indicating the company's sustainability practice, impacts, and their initiatives. Next. So why it is important to disclose those two? It is because first is regarding transparency and accountability. It allows stakeholders to understand the company's decision-making process, risks, and policies that impact the company's performance. Second, help companies engage with stakeholders effectively. Companies demonstrate their commitment to engage and address stakeholder concern. This is important to foster the stakeholders' trust. Third is to help companies identify their risks and manage them. Companies can demonstrate and mitigate the risks related to fraud, corruption, unethical behavior, conflict of interest, and more. And fourth, to gain investors' confidence. Comprehensive disclosures demonstrate a company's commitment to sustainable practices, risk management, and long-term value creation. Next. Next, I will introduce a little bit of company background for the first one, which is Fraser and Neef Holdings Berhad. It is a Malaysian incorporated company with expertise in the food and beverage industry. They are the largest beverage manufacturers and distributors with leading brands such as 100 Plus, FN Seasons, Gold Coin, and Teapot. The company is well known in Malaysia as well as in Singapore and Thailand. Their products also have been widely distributed to other countries. Next company is Press Metal Aluminium Holdings Berhad. The company specializes in the production and distribution of aluminium products. The company's primary focus is on the production of aluminium ingots and billets, which are essential raw materials for various industries such as construction, automotive, electrical, and packaging. Their products being exported to numerous countries worldwide such as USA, Jordan, New Zealand, and South Korea. Next, I'll pass to the next person.
Next, I'll be explaining about the United Motor Works, which are known as UMW. It is a company based in Malaysia that operates in multiple industries such as automotive, equipment, and manufacturing. So, UMW is now among Malaysia's top businesses after growing and changing throughout the years. UMW is a significant player in the automotive business since it is the authorized distributor for Toyota and Lexus in Malaysia. The business is also involved in the equipment industry, also offering a variety of goods and services such heavy equipment, industrial equipment, and also aviation services. The manufacturing businesses of UMW produces lubricants, automobile components, and other related goods and services. And in addition to its operations, UMW is also involved in a number of different industries such as real estate, hospitality, and also oil and gas. UMW is still a major force in the Malaysian economic scene. Next.
So next is iHH Healthcare Berhad. So iHH Healthcare Berhad is one of the largest and leading international healthcare groups in the world, which is the headquarters in Malaysia. iHH Healthcare operates a network of hospitals, clinics, and healthcare facilities across multiple countries. The company has a diverse portfolio of healthcare services ranging from primary care to specialized medical treatments. IHH Healthcare Berhad also operates in several locations, and its facilities include hospitals and clinics in different regions. The company's primary market include Malaysia, Turkey, India, Singapore, China, and other countries. IHH Healthcare owns and manages a network of hospitals under various brands name, including Gleneagles, Mount Elizabeth, Pantai, Acibadem, and more. These hospitals are typically located in major cities and regions within the countries where IHH Healthcare operates.
Next, I'll be explaining about MCCG is known as Malaysian Code of Corporate Governance. For the FNN, they have the both size of 11. Also the same with ENW and IHH. But this for company meets the recommend guideline of having minimum of 6 members. Next is the company of independent directors. For FNN, they have 55% of independent directors, and also the same with UMW and ISH, following by PMEH. But these four company are in a good condition because they are surpassing the MCCG 2021 requirement of having at least 50% of independent directors. However, the representation of the female directors for these three companies, which are FNN, UMW, and IHH, are lower than the recommendation, which are 30%, and only press metal that are surpassing that. Overall, based on the data extracted, the analyzed companies show varieties of level of the MCCG 2021 guidelines. This certain organization fall short in the specific areas, but others are reach or beyond the suggested benchmark for gender diversity and more. And businesses must constantly evaluate and enhance their corporate governance procedures. So next, I'll pass.
So next is company performance and sustainability disclosure. So based on the net profit after tax, as we can see, the highest net profit after tax is IHH Healthcare Berhad. And then the total of the assets, the highest of the total assets also is IHH Healthcare Berhad. So based on the return on assets, we can see that for the company Press Metal Aluminium Holdings Berhad is 11.53%. Compared to other three company, which is Fraser and NIF Holdings, is 9.12%. For UNW Holdings Berhad is 5.46%, and IHH Healthcare Berhad is 5.90%. So based on the sustainability disclosure, there is a compliance of economic, environmental, and social. So based on the economic, as we can see, there's three companies have a same percentage, which is 100%. And then the other companies is Press Metal Aluminium Holdings Berhad is just 75%. And then for the environmental is, as we can see, the lowest percentage is IHH Healthcare Berhad, and then for the social is the highest is Fraser and NIF Holdings Berhad. So why is the compliance of environmental and social are important in sustainability disclosure? It is because based on the stakeholder trust. Sustainability disclosure build trust with various stakeholders, including investors, customers, employees, and the broader community. So when the stakeholders see that a company is actively managing its environmental and social impact, it fosters confidence in the organization's commitment to ethical and sustainability practice. Next. So there's a relationship to the company performance. So as we can see, the Malaysian Code and Corporate Governance compliance has significant relationship to the company performance. However, The sustainability disclosure has positive relationship with the company performance. Next is conclusion. So as we can see, based on our observation, the leader of the Malaysian Code and Corporate Governance is compliance, overall, press metal, aluminium berhad, and then the areas of improvement is FNN and IHH Healthcare Berhad. And then last but not least is the best company performance is IHH Healthcare Berhad. That's all for us. Thank you.